Best features of Towelogy kitchen towels. Kitchen towels are a must-have in every kitchen. They look good, can be used for many things, and are so easy to use. Towels are the unsung heroes of any kitchen. They can be used to clean up spills and dry fruits and vegetables. Towelogy has products for your business that are always high quality and well taken care of. Here's what your Towelogy kitchen towels will do for you. Number 1, reliable. Everyone in the kitchen or bar needs a towel they can count on. When you buy towels from Towelogy, they will be better than your employees expected. Our kitchen towels are made for everything, from soaking up a lot of liquid to drying quickly. Number 2, comfortable. A kitchen towel shouldn't be scratchy, thin, or have a lot of static. When busy in the kitchen, your workers can handle a towel that is easy to use or comfortable. When you buy kitchen towels, they should be easy to use and pleasant to hold. They are with Towelogy. Number 3, professional service. At Towelogy, we know how important a good towel is and what it takes to keep it that way. We've worked in the hospitality industry for years, so we understand what it takes to take care of our materials. So, when you buy towels from Towelogy, you know you'll have a good time. We always have towels that can do the job and look good. Cotton tea towels come in many different colors, prints, and patterns. Choose Towelogy cotton tea towels to shine in your kitchen. Check our store for best kitchen towel, link is in the description.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to know about more green options, eco-friendly future with Towelogy.